From the supplier list, select a supplier. Navigate to the Standing Order tab. Click on Add New Standing Order. Using the Add Product search field, select your product, pack size, and quantity. Standing order may consist of multiple products. Select the appropriate time frequency, as per your time zone, and delivery day. Save the order. An order will be automatically created and approved by the system as per setup frequency. Multiple standing orders can be set up with the help of Add New Standing Order under the same supplier consisting same or different products. The process remains same to set up another standing order. There are two standing orders are set up under the same supplier. The entire standing order can be deleted using the red X in the top right corner.